हे जस्ट थिंक कि आपने जो भी टाइटल में लिखा है को ये पता चल जाए कि वो कितना सर्चेबल है, उस पर कितना कंपटीशन है, एज वेल एज क्या इससे बेटर कोई कीवर्ड है, देन हाउ डू यू फील? Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well, and in this particular video I'm gonna show you an application which is named the name is Vidiq. Exactly, Vidiq. See, this is so very important for all the people who have just started their YouTube channel and writing the keyword, any kind of keyword in their title, like how to grow their channel, how to make food, and blah blah blah, whatever. So basically, with the help of that particular Vidiq application, we're gonna see that which keyword is more searchable, which is not more searchable, which has a less competition and which has a more competition, and whatever the keyword we're writing, is there any other keyword which is more searchable or better than that? Yeah, so before we're gonna jump into the video, make sure to just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload any video. Now let's begin the video. Okay, so I am here on the Play Store and I just searched the Vidiq, Vidiq, exactly, Vidiq. So yeah, here it is. So I have to update this one because I have already installed in my phone, so go for that. Now it's opening and open that. Okay, now it's opening. Then you just have to give your email, password. So just I'm giving the email of mine and password, both are done. Now let's go and authenticate for that. Boom, it's open. Now see, this is the interface of that particular application where it shows the kind of videos that you have and have got more and more views and whatever you can say that. So I don't have so much views on my video, and it shows that your channel, the number of subscriber do you have, and blah blah blah. Now the most important thing is that at the bottom there is a bottom of search and competition, like that. So I'm going to here and search bottom and see, I'm just going to type any keyword like just I'm going to type here how to how to plan your day. Let's go for that, how to plan your day. Great. So see, it shows the search score is 60 and overall score is 53 out of 100. Competition is medium and its highest views is 3,38,000, and I mean it's 33 lakh actually, and 8,000 like that. So it shows the views and average views, highest views per hour, and the top channels that who are putting such kind of content, and you can choose as a competitor as well from here, from the 3 dot. And if you go for related keyword, then it will show that which is more better. It's 56, 52, 54, 53. Then you can go just 56, like how to plan, and its overall score is 55, and okay, which is better than the previous one actually. And you can see everything from here, that which is more better and like that. Now I think we have to this is paid, I mean you cannot go for the trending. Now just go some another keyword like how to edit videos for or in your in mobile for YouTube, or in mobile let's see, yeah, for YouTube as well. So it shows the result that its search result is very low, but competition is medium, so highest views like that, and there are a lot of things actually. So we have to change the keyword actually if you are doing such kind of videos. Then related keyword has like video editing, you have to add the tag in your video as well in your you can say title, so it is more preferable. See, the search score is 73, like it's in blue, or you can say hues, or competition is high, that's why its overall score is 53. And you can see the type of content producer channels at the bottom. Yeah, and let's go for something another like how to do meditation at home. Yeah, how to do meditation at home. So see, if we search this one, then overall score is 14. I mean search score is very low, I mean very few people are searching for that keyword, and competition is as well so much high.
with that particular keyword. So let's see them some related keyword like meditation for beginners is better, and how to meditate is better, so we can choose that one, how to meditate. See, the search score is 72% and the competition is like medium, so we can choose that one. And this is so very important that we have to understand. Now if you go for some plan, I mean paid plan, then I'm gonna show you that 30 days free trial, how we can actually do 30 days free trial with that promo code actually. So see, at the bottom there is a promo code, and at the promo code just try, yeah, you can, I'm just gonna change that. Okay, yeah, see, at the bottom you see promo code. So while there is a promo code option, you just go to there and just tap on that promo code and just tap on influence, I mean write it down, influence. Just tap on promo code and write down influence, INFLUENCE, exactly, yep, influence. So when you tap on that, so you got 100% free trial version for 30 days actually, and you can cancel anytime within the period of 30 days of your plan actually. See, it's so 100% off for 1 month, and after that you're going to paid for that. And you can choose for one pro boost, like if I go for that one actually $49 per month, and let's tap on upgrade, and yeah, I just have to tap on upgrade. Okay, I just have to tap on upgrade, and there are a lot of actually, and after that you got some MasterCard and that, and which is, see, the zero, and you can add the street detail and blah, and after that you have to add the card detail. It's actually free, absolutely free. Okay, so this is all about, you can choose free trial as well.
So I hope you got the value from that particular video, that why it is so very necessary or important to plan our keyword in, I mean whatever you are writing in our title or in description or in tags, then which kind of tags, description or title we should have to write, and which is more better and which is not better, which has high competition or less competition, like that. So that's it for that particular video. I hope you got the value from that particular video. If you got the value from that particular video, please share this video to another people so they get benefited from that particular video. Yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for each and everyone to be here, and as always, keep smiling and be happy, and one more thing is that be safe. Thank you so much.